Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha. As we are rounding out the week, we're getting ready to head into our Thanksgiving season. We're only a week away. I wanted to give you a little bit of inspiration for what you could do for your family and friends as you're entertaining for the Thanksgiving holiday season. So here, this is going to be the last installment of basically our fall video of what we did decor-wise for our basement area. This is a buffet that we actually found last summer as we went into getting our house ready and turning it into a home. This is a piece that we actually got from a young lady that was from California. And she bought this piece from Mexico, and my husband loved the fact that it had this rustic appeal about it, which makes it manly and kind of fits into the basement area, which is his man space. So what I'm going to do is I added in a very tall lamp that I had here. I added in some candlesticks with tapers and this vase full of woodsy stems that I've had for quite a few years. And of course, to continue with the Thanksgiving vibe, I brought in a masculine pumpkin. So always keeping in mind that this is his space. We want to include those elements to incorporate decor that we use around the house, but we also want to make sure that he feels like he's still in a man's space. So what you're going to see me do here is I realized that I didn't like the way that it was looking, so I'm going to change it a couple of times actually before I get to a setup that I actually like. Of course, I've got to bring in a candle, got to make sure that ambiance is created, and this is pretty much a set. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a faux greenery of a banana plant just to kind of fill in that space, and that's going to be it. If this is something that you like and you enjoy the videos that you've seen so far, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and even more importantly, share it with your family and friends that you would think would enjoy what we're doing here on Lifestyle with Latasha. This ended up being the final setup for my husband's space. And as you can see, he works in aviation, so we had to bring in some form of aviation to fit into his space as well. So that's pretty much going to wrap up our basement landing space. So now we're going to head over to our basement family room area. This is where we come down and watch movies and just really have a great time. It's a great space. It's taking a lot of work to get it to this place. And there's still a couple of things that we want to do to finalize it. However, this is where we are now, and I'm going to decorate it with just some fall decor just to show you some inspiration, hopefully, of what you can do in your own home. So I'm going to start out, of course, I have to start out with my throw pillows and these amazing pillow covers that once again I got from Amazon. Of course, anything that I have that I've was able to purchase here recently, I will definitely link it down below. This throw pillow I absolutely love because it just says a lot with that one word, grateful. We truly are grateful for all that we have, and I hope that you are as well. And as you're going into Thanksgiving, I hope that you're going to be celebrating all the great things that have happened in your life. And even if life brought you some disappointments, always know that there will be a better day. Just believe in that and hold on to your faith. So here I'm going to be adding in some throw blankets. I love these. We keep these out all year long, honestly, because they are so comfortable. I think I got these from TJ Maxx or Marshalls last year for Christmas, and they are some of the most comfortable blankets. So we keep them here at all times because, as I said, this is our movie area where we just come down and chill out and relax, eat popcorn, and these are just perfect for this space. The final thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a dough bowl and put it here on the table. I've taken the time to just fill it with some pumpkins and some leaves just to keep that cozy fall vibe going. And of course, I'm going to add in an accent light. Now I'm going to transition over to our fireplace and just add in a few pieces on there just to continue the vibe around the room. These little houses, you saw me pick them up from At Home back in the summer. This floral arrangement, I've actually had that for a couple of years. I'm going to add in a candle. And then just down here, just add in some little decor items. Like I said, just to continue that fall vibe and keep it cozy. And as always, I love creating such a mood with candles. So I'm going to light a candle here. And the final thing I will do is bring in this multi tea light holder and place it in the center of our poker table. We actually call it our Uno table because we don't really play poker. However, this table is perfect because when we have family and friends over, we're able to sit around and just have fun playing games, card games, and just having great memories created down here in this space.
Gather round the table, friends and family, with grateful hearts for all we see. The love we share, the bonds that grow in the season's gentle golden glow. Thankful hearts lifted high for the blessings in our lives. In every smile, in every prayer, we feel the love that's everywhere. Thankful hearts, we sing as one, for all we have, for all that's come. The harvest in the day is done, the warmth of home, our loved ones near. Through ups and downs, we've made it here. With gratitude, we're standing strong this year. Thankful hearts lifted high for the blessings in our lives. In every smile, in every prayer, we feel the love that's everywhere. Thankful hearts, we sing as one, for all we have, for all that's come. Through every season, come what may, our thankful hearts will light the way. With open hands and voices raised, we lift our thanks, our song of praise. Thankful hearts lifted high for the blessings in our lives. In every smile, in every prayer, we feel the love that's everywhere. Thankful hearts, we sing as one, for all we have, for all that's come. So let's remember near and far, the gifts we hold, who we are. Thankful hearts, in harmony on this day and all we see.
Well, guys, that's going to wrap it up. If you've been here before, you know that I love to do a twilight view. So here's that for our basement and the final installment of our Thanksgiving videos. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave your comments down below. I pray that you have an amazing Thanksgiving holiday and that you enjoy some wonderful time with your family and friends. And while you're there, don't forget to share this video. In all things, I pray many blessings upon your life, and I thank you for being here. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving.